Hi, I'm going to show you how to find some of the information from this interactive in order to fill in this activity called Earth Structure and Plates. So once you click on this link, it will take you to this website, and you're going to go ahead and start here. So I'll click on this link, Start Your Exploration with Earth Structure. And this is going to tell you about the 3 layers. So that's that first question. It's going to ask you to label the diagrams, which are already labeled here. And if you want to click on anything, you can find out a little bit more information about it. And so that's going to give you information about these different parts. Okay. And then you're going to go to right here where it says next chapter, plate tectonics. Now plate tectonics, you can answer these questions kind of based on these pictures. It says click on one that looks like the Earth today, so we're going to click on this one. And then you're going to click on this part. How do we know this? This is going to give you a little bit more information about about Alfred Wegener and also his theory of plate tectonics. So that information is going to be here, and it's going to talk about how the continents moved. For this question, you're going to be able to do a little activity where you can find out what time period each picture represents. So for example, you're going to look at the one that you think is the oldest. So after you read about the Pangea idea, that all the continents were at one point stuck together, then we know that this one is the first one. So that's 225 million years ago. So that way we can go ahead and put that, and then as they're slowly moving apart, you'll be able to see the timeline, and then you could check it. And then when you're ready, you can go to the next one, plates and boundaries. Is that it? I think that's all. Yeah, that's it for now. Okay. So hopefully that's helpful. And if you have any other questions, please give me an email.